was gonna give you a little update on something, but Denise is working in the kitchen now. So basically, I was telling you how it bound up right in the middle. I was showing you like the windows were expanding. When I put the windows up, the light's terrible. When I put the windows up to where it expanded out fully, and I just kept it there while I foamed it in, it did work. They don't bind up at all anymore. They slide up and down easy, so that does work. But coincidentally enough, when I was doing it, I actually read the window instructions, and it said to use fiberglass insulation. So, I mean, I guess, yeah, I mean, even the instructions say to do it, and that's probably why, because the foam will just take up that place, and if the window needs to expand at all, it's not gonna. I found that little trick pretty helpful, but it does say use fiberglass insulation. Look at all our pretty flowers. And that I have to finish. Now it's getting weeds in it. Woo! Woo! That's one of the next projects, fire pit. I did that, but it needs a lot of help. That was like a couple months ago. So